Hello everyone, a warm welcome to yet another video session related to careers after graduation. Today, I am going to discuss on another PSU officer cadre job, that is from general insurance companies. This video session is purely based on the experience of my friends in this field. Most of us are familiar with banking companies and their nature of work, but majority are not yet familiar with insurance companies, their nature of work and job prospects. In this session, I am covering various aspects related to the entry-level officer post in the general insurance companies. I will first give an overview of insurance companies, then will cover the typical appointment procedure adopted by the insurance companies. Next, we will check the induction training procedure for the newly recruited officers, their nature of work in the office, typical office hierarchy in an insurance-related company, and the employee perks or benefits. From the term insurance, we all are familiar with life insurance, and again we are unfamiliar with other types of insurance. We can insure all valuable things such as our home, our vehicles, ornaments, our TV, etc. Also, we may have heard of insuring a cricket match or a football match. The insurance companies from the central government part includes United India Oriental Insurance, National Insurance and New India Assurance Company Limited. These insurance companies deals with insuring all things except life insurance. Another thing to note is that these insurance companies will take insurance on your dogs or pets. For our life insurance, from the public sector part, we have life insurance company and their entry-level post is Assistant Administrative Officer. Next, we can check banking versus insurance jobs. We all have heard of SBI, a public sector utility bank, similar to SBI. From the insurance sector, there are 4 central government companies. Another notable thing is that shares of SBI are listed in financial market and the insurance companies are under listing procedures. On a par-to-par comparison with the banking PSUs, joining salary is higher than bank POs. Insurance companies work for 5 days per week. In the flip side, the insurance companies have usually low perks compared to banking companies. For example, banking employees have petrol allowance, lower interest rate loans than insurance company employees, etc. Next, coming to the notification procedures. On checking previous notifications, starting from 2017, there was a notification from National Insurance and Oriental Insurance in the year 2017. In December 2018, there was a notification from New India which completed their recruitment process in 2019. So, there is a strong chance that every year a company may call. So, I repeat, every year a company may call. Next, going to the interesting features of these companies. 7 to 8 lakhs per annum salary package with additional perks which may vary from city to city. 30 years age limit with relaxation for eligible categories. 1 year probation period which may be extended. During the probation period, the officers must pass non-life licentiate examination conducted by Insurance Institute of India. Only after passing that exam, an officer will be eligible for confirmation of his or her services. Before joining the service, the selected candidates have to exercise a bond for minimum 4 years, including probation period. So, in the event of resigning from the company before the expiry of the bond period, they will be liable to pay liquidated damages equivalent to 1 year's gross salary paid to them during the probation period. Next, coming to the selection process. Usually, the selection process consists of 3 stages. OMR test, main examination, and interview. All the tests are online and the main examination consists of both objective and descriptive sections. Online OMR test is based on reasoning ability, English language, and quantitative aptitude, etc. The candidates usually have to pass on each part of the above exam. As mentioned, the main online examination consists of both descriptive and objective sections. Usually the candidate have to answer the descriptive part by typing the computer. The objective part of the main examination consists of portions related to reasoning, English language, general awareness, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude, etc. Descriptive part is basically related to English language, which consists of essay comprehension, etc. and maybe a bit on insurance knowledge too. Marks in the objective test is around 200 or so, and for descriptive it is around 30. Also, each candidate has to acquire a minimum score on each part of the objective test to consider for the valuation for descriptive section. Also, there will be negative marks for the wrong answers. Then, candidates will be shortlisted for interview on the basis of overall marks secured in the main examination. Finally, the final rank list will be on the 80:20 weightage for online main examination and interview respectively. Next, we can check the typical training program for an administrative officer. After successfully clearing the interview process, you will be advised to attend the induction training program on National Insurance Academy at Pune. It is usually a 2-month training procedure. If the notification is for low number of vacancies, your training program may be in one of the training centers of the company itself. Also, on the last 2 weeks of training, you may be given hands-on training session on your company's Pune office itself. You may be advised to report to the office mentioned in the posting order, which may be usually issued after the induction training program. At the office, again you will be familiarized with the different sections in the office for about a month. Next, coming to the office, there are mainly 3 sections in an insurance office. As mentioned in the initial session of this video, public can insure any valuables as per the products provided by the company. The first section is underwriting, in which the company calculates all the risks associated with insuring the instrument. The second section is insurance claim, in which the policyholder can claim for the compensation for the losses incurred in the instrument. Last section is the account section, which basically calculates the net inflow and outflow of cash in the specific office. Next, coming to the typical office hierarchy. Typical office hierarchy of an insurance company consists of the entry-level administrative officer, followed by assistant manager bar branch manager. Next level is divisional manager bar senior branch manager, followed by manager bar senior divisional manager. Then in the hierarchy is regional manager, followed by deputy general manager, and finally general manager. Among the general managers, one of them will be at the topmost position as chairman cum managing director. Next, we can check the various offices of the company, starting from the highest office, head office, then regional office, followed by divisional and branch office. The one-man office, also called business center, is the smallest office in the hierarchy. Now, we can check the various allowance for an employee. Newspaper allowance, medical insurance for self and dependents, medical lump sum amount, briefcase allowance, low interest rate vehicle bar home loans, etc. are the few to name. So, in the concluding session, I wish to remind you that this is one of the best PSU job for a graduate. It's better than a banking job with better salary and less number of working days. Finally, I am thankful to all of you for sparing your valuable time for this video session. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Signing out till we meet again.